Good day everyone, here we are to take a look on Natura Park project by Erbutu Construction. Inspired by the nature and also located in the heart of Otoken area with a close distance to the beach and also containing just 38 flats in a land of 10,000 square meters makes it a special and super private residence. As we see, the project is under construction right now and it's going to be delivered in June 2026. 2+1 flats in the ground floor with an area of 90 square meters plus 30 square meters of private garden. Are you interested in spacious terraces? So, the first floor would be suitable for you. 95 square meters of the flat and also 75 square meters of the terrace. Also, you're gonna have 95 square meters of roof terrace. Any further information or question? Feel free to contact us and please do not hesitate to check up on our website in order to have the latest news and update information regarding rules and regulations in North Cyprus. Stay tuned for another phase of this amazing project.